right, example 2, still talking about that distributive property here. So looking at example 2, which number is on the outside of the parentheses that needs to be distributed? Is it that 5 or is it the -2? So no, it's not the +5 because that 5 is being added at the end. It is the -2 because that's what's right directly next to the parentheses. And remember, if I don't see an operation there, I'm assuming that that's multiplication. That's where that distribution comes from. So I'm going to take that -2 and multiply it by, and notice the way that I kept the -2. That's not just a +2 out there, that's a -2. And that -2 needs to get multiplied by both pieces inside the parentheses. -2 times x is -2x, because remember, the number in front of that x is just a 1. -2 times 1 is just -2. And now that -2 also needs to get multiplied by the -10. And yes, that negative is associated with the 10 there. A negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 10 is 20. Now, does that +5 need to get multiplied by the -2? It does not, because it's not in the parentheses. The 5 doesn't get multiplied because it's not in the parentheses. Tried to make that line look nice. So that's why that 5 doesn't get multiplied, it just gets carried down. So now here, this is where I'm checking to see if I have any like terms or any simplifying that I can do. And I do have a set of like terms here. That +20 and that +5 are both just normal number constants, so I can combine them. So my -2x just carries down, being sure not to lose the negative sign, and 20 plus 5 is just 25. So -2x plus 25 is our example 2.